Is your software tool reporting the Club Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. This DLL file is a core library for the Rockstar Games Social Club. It manages user authentication, community interaction, and cloud-based features for Rockstar game titles such as Grand Theft Auto V and Red Dead Redemption 2. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The Club Library DLL is a key part of the Rockstar Games Application runtime file set. A clean reinstall of the latest version of Rockstar Games Application will repair any missing or corrupted components without affecting your other Windows settings. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Club library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. If you're attempting to install the Club Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to the Club library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including complex Rockstar Games application dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.